If you're bullish on XRP, then I have good news for you, as the bottom is already in for the Ripple coin. Stick around for more info on that as we take a quick dive into the XRP charts to figure out the market's direction as we draw closer towards the end of 2021. Thanks for watching Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Experts predict that XRP will be recovering towards $1.50 to $2 shortly. This is just my personal opinion, which I feel would be great to share, just bringing it forward. Doesn't mean that XRP will not get to $3, but a lot is going on now. Many speculations are flying in that I feel like the crypto market might hit the deck with the S&P 500 when the time comes. We'll see many derivatives, not forgetting the dollar derivative. Going through the daily analysis for XRP, we could see the price of XRP reaching for newer lows towards the daily psychological demand area of below $1, which could serve as our next interest point among the 9 united regions. From all indications, the prices seem to be retracing back in terms of where I do see the price going. In the meantime, if we look closely into the charts, we can still see a continuous downtrend for this coin, as the price of XRP is set to take that leap towards the downside. At this point, there is no further clarification as to where the market is headed, at least for the next few weeks. Therefore, we can't affirm for sure that we could be reversing anytime soon. All we have are just areas that the price could retrace to and maybe go to the upside. Based on the daily bearish weekly structure, for whatever reason, that might be changing your bias on where you could see the market going at the moment. So it looks like the prices will be consolidating right around here, but let's see what happens afterward. One crucial aspect to note is that you can only determine the market's direction. However, you can't choose precisely when the volume starts bumping, because the volume drives the direction of the charts and not the other way around. That's the exact kind of mindset that would get you through these markets. Amidst all the noise created by the SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the price of XRP seems to be holding up strong. Even with the recent downtrend that has got the prices down by more than 10% over the past week, XRP continues to form an interesting ascending symmetric triangle. Presently, XRP seems to be going down to reach the lower trend line, as the current movements, given historical backings, might get to 76 or 77 cents, which presents a perfect buy opportunity for investors looking to buy in more into this digital asset, after which we'll see an explosive pump reaching above $2 as the first target. That said, investors are expected to spot the uptick in later sessions through the initiation of multiple buy orders and more significant volumes. A trend that would cause a ripple effect and spiral into a squeeze and pop above the descending trend line from Wednesday, November 10th, 2021, with Bitcoin's run up towards prices above $65,000. As market participants are likely to tend towards more risk-off, investors should expect this to attribute to some tailwinds for Bitcoin. According to FX Street analyst Philip L., Bitcoin's price could be seeing an uptick with buyers returning into the scene, forming a bullish breakout towards $65,000. Likewise, Ethereum bulls could be preparing for a flight towards $4,646. Finally, as XRP enthusiasts target new all-time highs, even amid the bearish triangle struck against XRP, the bulls are slowly and steadily stepping up their game. With the greater expectation that Bitcoin will be lifting the price further up by next week with a retest of new all-time highs towards the $69,000 margin, XRP is still under intense bearish pressure as the bulls are pushing back on the further downside. Yet the price of the Ripple asset is still stuck in a downtrend, with the bears taking hold of the market as they're selling alongside a descending trend line from Tuesday, November 16th, during which XRP's price closed at 99 cents with the 200-day simple moving average as a supporting factor, as we saw the price being pushed back towards the descending trend line yet again. Similarly, the bulls continue to exercise their prowess as they try to get the price to squeeze higher, with higher lows that could point to a similar inflow of investors seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum, but maybe more subtly. Just as we look at the altcoin market, we also see signs of the XRP price bottom being in. As we see the overall altcoin market and take a sneak peek at XRP's chart, going even further into that, we could see why there's a widespread belief that the bottom of the cryptocurrency market crash we've been experiencing has finally ended. Of course, you wouldn't have a complete list of the top most talked about cryptocurrencies in 2021 without mentioning XRP, as we've seen with this Ripple platform that embodies an infrastructure with the propensity to last for centuries. So those who have been around with the Make Money Online channel for quite some time now, these extreme crashes in the crypto market shouldn't be new to you guys, because we've experienced much worse in these markets. Even more than the most recent dip, which had XRP plunging to its most recent low below the dollar psychological resistance level. Looking at the completed crashing pattern from a previous and relative chart here, we can see that the bottom was already in and that it was a completed crashing pattern, during which we saw XRP take off from there. XRP price movements are reflected in the Relative Strength Index, which is showing a slight swing to the upside, but is not popping up aggressively as we would expect with the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nonetheless, the downtrend may continue a little further down the line as the bears still have a good grasp of the market. So what we have right now is only an opportunity to take a few profits off the table with a possible retest of 99 cents. As we can see from the charts, even as the global cryptocurrency market capitalization is down to 2.56 trillion, a more than 10% decline over the past week, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Although XRP still looks bullish as its price shows signs of an upcoming uptrend in the forthcoming week. Right now, we're looking quite well, and it's no surprise because before the most recent downtrend, there's been a massive run-in of altcoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even across the board. XRP has been the topic of discussion across the entire crypto sphere throughout the year. The Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson-led crypto company is set to have its coin on a continuous price bump. With the speculations of a Ripple settlement with the SEC getting even more intense, XRP enthusiasts are hoping that the payment in the case will not only determine the exact status of the XRP coin, but also help consolidate the Ripple asset as a cryptocurrency. At the same time, eliminating the blemish brought upon the asset by the SEC's ill-conceived claims. Although its demand and price had surged over the last month, climbing to a staggering $55 billion total value, however, the price of XRP has plummeted by almost 15% of that price value since its early February peak, which is mainly attributed to the ongoing lawsuit. I see XRP hitting $10 to $20 if we do get regulatory clarity on XRP. If XRP had followed the same pattern as Bitcoin and Ethereum, we would be at about $1.50 upwards to $2 per token on XRP. Additionally, should the global banking system finally come into a deal to potentially replace the old convention with the Ripple platform, we could easily see XRP reaching between $10,000 to $35,000 per coin. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.